Introducing one integrated real estate development solution on Odoo by Cresta. From development and off-plan sales to leasing, operations, and customer service, every process works from one property and one financial truth. Your customers can explore available properties and units directly from an interactive website. They can open a property, review imagery, bedrooms, area, amenities, selling price, or annual rent, and select the right unit. A buyer can create a sales inquiry or booking. A tenant can reserve for rental. A construction customer can quickly raise a development inquiry. Controlled portals connect the people outside your company without exposing the Odoo backend. Tenants and unit buyers see contracts, installments, utility bills, due dates, and payment status, and can submit maintenance requests online. The portal presents owned and rented units, purchase and lease contracts, and service requests in one simple customer view. Contractors submit bills and follow relevant work packages. Landlords see managed properties, income, costs, service requests, and management activity. Contractors can see assigned milestones, completion, and contract values, then upload new bill submissions with supporting documents. Interactive dashboards give management a live view of projects, sales, collections, leasing, facilities, and portfolio performance. The construction dashboard highlights project stage, WBS progress, cost exposure, procurement, subcontracting, and financial performance. The Real dashboard consolidates active projects, completion, forecast revenue, approved cost, funding, procurement, milestones, and pending approvals. Management can immediately compare delivery stages, portfolio completion, highest revenue projects, and the cost and revenue pulse. The SBA dashboard brings inquiries, available inventory, bookings, contracts, installments, collections, and handovers together. The Real SBA dashboard shows buildings, total units, availability, reservations, sales, occupancy, asking value, and revenue in one view. Collections, outstanding installments, active SBAs, sales leads, and inventory by property type remain visible and drillable. The leasing dashboard tracks occupancy, expiring leases, rent due, PDC exposure, facilities, and utilities. The Real leasing dashboard shows rental units, active leases, recurring rent, collections, outstanding balances, PDCs, renewals, and maintenance performance. Portfolio occupancy, facility workload, top revenue contracts, and rent and PDC collection trends are available without leaving the dashboard. Create clean, professional booking forms, tenders, contracts, payment schedules, certificates, handover documents, and transfer deeds. Every website inquiry becomes an Odoo CRM opportunity with property requirements, customer history, and an accountable salesperson. Schedule calls, meetings, and follow-up activities, assign opportunities, and keep the sales team focused on the next action. For developers, the journey moves from design and excavation through structure, fit-out, and completed inventory. Odoo provides visibility at every stage: feasibility, department approval, customer approval, execution, handover, and completion. Standard Odoo projects, tasks, milestones, dependencies, and timesheets remain synchronized with the construction project. The solution supports own use, own sale, third-party and group subsidiary developments with the appropriate commercial and accounting context. Construction work in progress, project costs, capitalization, deferred revenue, and revenue recognition remain traceable to the project and analytic account. Department managers, engineers, quantity surveyors, customers, and authorities participate through controlled approvals, documents, activities, and NOCs. Create or import the bill of quantities, associate products and work packages, and compare forecast, ordered, received, and actual quantities. Raise a material request from the BOQ, approve it, create a standard Odoo RFQ and PO, then track receipt, vendor bill, and payment. Invite multiple subcontractors, generate standard RFQs, compare bids, and confirm the winning PO. The awarded contractor updates the work package automatically. The work breakdown structure converts a complex development into measurable packages with owner, weight, dates, cost, and completion. The WBS program view makes planned work, dependencies, delays, and handover commitments visible across every development. Approved floor plans create buildings and units for sale. Availability then flows to the website, CRM, booking, and SPA process. Reserve one or multiple units, total their price, apply approved discounts, and generate a configurable installment schedule. Approved buildings and units flow into visual inventory boards, separated by available, reserved, sold, and lease status. Create the SPA contract, manage documents and approvals, complete handover, and transfer ownership without duplicating financial history. Invoice due installments and charges, track receipts, calculate brokerage commissions, and use standard Odoo follow-up for overdue customers. Customer invoices can post to defer revenue, then release income periodically, at handover or according to project completion under the configured policy. The leasing lifecycle covers inquiry, booking, approval, active lease, notice, move out, renewal, expiry, and cancellation. From the active lease, invoice due rent or all rent, invoice other charges, create management fees, and track matching landlord bills and PDCs. At the end of the term, renew the lease or register notice, schedule move out, settle charges and deposits, and close the contract without losing its history. Select tenure and billing frequency. Odoo calculates lease end date, rent periods, and matching post-dated checks. Schedule inspections, keys, cleaning, and meter readings. Track DUA, SUA, water, cooling, and other unit bills with attachments and payment status. From the portal, tenants see their unit and lease and can raise maintenance requests while tracking every request through completion. The facility team converts a request into a field service order, assigns a technician, schedules the visit, routes it on a map, records time and materials, and captures the customer signature. Assign the request to field service, schedule the technician, see the route on a map, record time and material, and capture the customer signature. From the same facility request, create a tenant or landlord invoice and a vendor bill while preserving the building, unit, lease, and analytic traceability.
Build, sell, lease,
Operate. One connected platform for the complete real estate lifecycle.